Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to learn about another tense in past series, that is past perfect tense. All of you know past mean in olden days or in olden time, and perfect means completed or finished. So in past perfect tense we discuss the actions that completed in the past at certain moment. It is used to describe an action completed before a certain moment in the past. For example, I had seen him 5 years before. When had you seen him? 5 years before. The girls had already sung the song. When the girl had sung song already. When you asked about them, you got to know that they had already sung the song. We had already heard this news. If you were told about any news and you say you had already heard this news, we had he had scored 80 runs till 4 o'clock. Till 4 o'clock, how many runs had he scored? He scored 80 runs. I had never seen such a beautiful sunset before. That was the sunset that you were observing at some time in the past. It was so beautiful that before that sunset you had never seen such a beautiful scene in your life. In past perfect tense, you use time expressions already, till, before, by the time, never, etc. These time expressions are used in past perfect tense. Mainly, this tense is used when two actions happened in the past. So, it becomes necessary to tell which action happened earlier than the other. In this case, we use simple past tense for one clause and past perfect for other clause. For example, if you say, I reached home at 6 o'clock and my brother left the home at 5 o'clock. Both the actions are in past tense, but how will you tell others which action happened earlier than the other? My brother left the house before I arrived home, so we will make we will make an order for these description. For example, I would say, when I reached home, my brother had left the home, or my brother had left for gym. In this case, you ordered two past events by telling the reader or listener which action happened earlier. Here are some examples. I had done my homework when my friend came. Two actions happened in the past and one happened before the other. I had done my homework. The action that happened earlier than the other would be in past perfect tense, and the action that happened after the completed activity would be in simple past tense, and we use second form of verb. I couldn't go out for shopping as I had left my wallet at home. I couldn't go out for shopping. Reason is that I had left my wallet at home. Which action happened earlier? I had left my wallet at home, so now at that time of speaking, I could not be able to go out for shopping. If you study the timeline for this tense, here this line mentioned present tense, recent time, and this line is indicating simple past tense, and past perfect tense is showing the activities or actions that happened before past simple. And action in past an action in past happened here, and before that action there was another action that happened earlier than that action. Now if you talk about the formation of this tense, for perfect tenses we use third form of verb and helping verb for past perfect tenses had, and for all the type of subject singular or plural we use had. Now comes the structure of a sentence. For affirmative sentence, that are the simple statements, we have subject, then helping verb had, then third form of main verb, and then object. And to make negative sentences, we just add not after the helping verb. And to make interrogative sentences, we put the helping verb before the subject or at the start of the sentence, and at the end of the sentence we put question mark. If we talk about the recognition of this tense, here in this sentence, words show you the completion of an action, and mostly there are two sentences. For recognition of past perfect tense, we have चुका था, चुकी थी, लिए थे, लिया था, किया था, गए थे, such words that show the completion of an action. Example sentences are: पुलिस के आने से पहले चोर भाग गया था, हमने पहले ही अपना काम मुकम्मल कर लिया था, इन बच्चों ने कभी शेर नहीं देखा था. The ending or the complete sentence is telling you about the completion of an activity. If we discuss past series with timeline, we can show simple past or past indefinite tense like that. Here this is present time, and before that we have simple past here. If we talk about past continuous tense, here we have present time. Now this arrow is showing this time is present time. And past continuous, the arrows show that the activity is completed. Activity was in progress over a period of time in the past before present. And if we talk about past perfect tense, we have present, recent time here on timeline. Then simple past or past indefinite tense is here indicated by this line, and this arrow is showing past perfect tense. It means that action happened before another action in the past. I hope you will understand. If you have any problem or question, you can ask me. Thank you.